Hey guys, we're live at 8:50 p.m. battling for marks. Luke, AFA graded Blue Saber Luke Jedi, always a fan favorite. I got 115 big old spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. 115 lines total. Let's hope we get that on this end as well. We did. We got 115, which is always neat. Because that means we can finish this out right now. Gonna roll the dice, gotta get at least a 5. We did, we got a 7. We're in beautiful shape to continue on and find a winner. Let the battle begin. Jimmy, round 1. Todd takes round 2. Carl Perrick in the top spot for round 3. Jason, round 4. Troy Pitts takes round 5 with number 16. Beetlejuice in the top spot with number 44 for our next to last round, bringing us, at long last, to the final round. Good luck, battlers. Here we go. Our winner is C.J. Hutchinson, in at number 21. Congratulations, C.J. Here's the verification code. HJHLEJ. C.J. Hutchinson is the victor. I'm done at 8:51. Done. There you go. Here's the verification code again. Congratulations to the winner. See you guys. Thanks.